Fatih Birol, executive director of the International Energy Agency, said on Wednesday that China has emerged as a world champion in green energy, achieving a remarkable surge in renewable capacity and playing a pivotal role in global energy cooperation. Birol underscored the contribution of China to global progress on the sidelines of the ongoing World Economic Forum annual meeting in Davos.
China is the world champion when it comes to clean energy. For example, last year, in terms of the renewables around the world, renewables expansion, we have seen global renewable energy capacity increase by 50%, so 50%. It's a big historical jump, mainly coming from solar, but also from wind. And we have seen, of course, additions in United States, in Europe, in Brazil, in India. But if I have to single out one country which made this world record possible, it is by far China. Amount of the China renewable capacity in 2023 was equal to entire world expansion in 2022. So there is a big growth, and China not only brought a lot of renewable capacity at home, but by deploying these clean energy sources, brought the cost of these clean technologies down, make it cheaper and affordable, and provided a service to the international community. So there's a double service coming from China for the clean energy transition of the world.
Amid uncertainties and challenges, Birol believes China has a significant role in international energy cooperation.
China is working with many countries around the world, with the developed and developing countries, and I hope that it will continue, that China will deliver the clean energy technologies to other countries within the international trade rules and regulations that we are going to see China's leadership, including the electric cars.